So this is the view here. So this is the second bathroom. All right, the glass is very clean. Sliding, all right, this is nice. Here comes another train. Ow, 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 ow. I'm gonna eat Cedo. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Eat Cedo, eat Cedo. Cedo cheese. Thank you. All right, we're waiting for a taxi to get here. Hotel taxi. All right, so we are here. Checked in with the security. The Airbnb property management company, I called like 3 times. She told us to go to the wrong tower, South Tower. I don't know why they don't meet you at the front and help you show the unit. There's only like 5 gazillion units here with 3 kids up and down, up and down. It's like, come on, lady. Get your butt to the front, do some customer service, and show us where to go. So we're walking through a parking lot here, and we think we're going in the right direction, so we'll see. We just wasted 20 minutes going in the wrong direction. So we're just gonna take our sweet time getting to the new place, because she can wait. I don't get it. It's like a little bit of customer service, just a little bit. Show us how to get to the building and the unit first time we arrive. It's locked. Hey, we're visitors, we checked in. Thank you. So walk through that door as a back door entrance. Come through here, okay. Got it. Go. Thank you. Left, 1403. 1403. Okay, then this is it. So this is the view here. Not bad. This is the kids' room, so it's 4 bedrooms. 4 bedrooms here. This is the washer dry room, looks like. It's locked, okay. Got a mattress here, queen mattress. It's clean, all right, thank God. All right, perfect. Here for the kid. Air condition, bathroom. This is the second bathroom. All right, the glass is very clean. It's actually one color. Bidet, nice shower. All right, guys, so we just finished getting the keys, checking out the room. All right, so let's check out the amenities at level 2. It's really windy. Hopefully you can hear me well. Okay, not bad, not bad. Not bad. It's not a infinity pool, but it's not bad. You got tennis over there. So this is our house for the next 5 to 6 weeks. It looks like a kid's pool or jacuzzi is closed. Small garden area over there. Picnic table. 1 picnic table. That's all you get, man. 1. You better hurry up and picnic and grill and go back home. Sliding. All right, this is nice. probably the shortest slide I've ever seen in my life. Shorter than me. It's probably 5 foot, I'm 6. You got a trail over here, people walking through. So the train passes through here, it's gonna be really loud. There's the mall over here, you can see the mall, Putra Mall. You got H&M. Sarah, you got H&M? Here comes train. Here comes the train. So we'll be checking in tomorrow, even though we're at the hotel till Tuesday. So we'll bring our luggage in, either check in tomorrow, buy the groceries, and then go back for breakfast at the hotel maybe. We'll see, we'll figure it out. The unit itself is actually very clean, very nice, very professional. They got like 4 hair dryers, like 4 cribs, washer dryer, it's 2-in-1. The dryer is a 7-kilo limit, so kind of sucks. I really wanted 2 units, but it is what it is. The unit's very clean. TV is good, air conditioning is good, water heater is working right away. Very clean bathrooms. The building itself is, it's definitely outdated. It doesn't look good when you walk in. I don't know why they paint them white. They should paint these buildings like agreeable gray, some color that just doesn't show stains right away. Here comes another train. But the building doesn't show well. It smells okay, but when you get in the unit, it's definitely much better. I'm trying to find the other unit that we went to initially. I don't see it here, but I know it's in the area. And that unit was horrible. It sucked. All right, time to go back to our 5-star hotel and enjoy the swimming pool over there. You like it? Good? You sure? You change your mind? Too late? Too late, Sido. Too late, Sido. Why are you crying? Why are you crying? Annie. Why are you crying? Why are you mad? You mad? Woo woo woo! I'm gonna eat Sido. I'm gonna eat Sido. I'm gonna eat Sido. Woo woo woo! Eat Sido, eat Sido. I eat you. Alright guys, so we're across the street at the mall. Hopefully you can hear me well, and it's a lot of background noise. But this is something that you see once a year around Eid at the malls, where they set up homes like old Malaysian style homes. Whoa. Wow. Man, those are back in the day, the bomb.com. Oh man, look at that one. I remember those. That was our car in Turkey. Peugeot. They got it wrapped up here. Ours was the one in the front, the 3008 model. What model is this one? This is 2008, so this is new. I don't recall seeing 2008 in Turkey. That's good. Yeah, same layout, different buns, sleek design. The dash is more straight. I like it. Here comes the dancers. Here comes the show. The cheese? Thank you.
What you eating?
It's they bought the whole pan and this and the spatula. So it's supposed to be chicken Alfredo.
How's taste?
Not good.
Not good? What are you eating? How's your chicken? Sweet and sour?
Definitely sweet. I don't know about the sour part. Original.
Original?
This is a spicy one. Somebody wanted spicy.
Yeah.
Somebody wanted spicy.
Eat.
Name Sarah.
And rice for kids.
It's alright.
And cheese.
It's hot.
For
It's hot. It's hot. Don't touch it. Touch it down. Okay. Turn it off.
Today is our last day here at the Hilton Kuala Lumpur. We're on our way to our Airbnb that we're gonna stay at for about 5 to 6 weeks. We finally went by the US Embassy yesterday to finish our passport for me and Mariam, and that was a pretty easy process. I'll do another video on how to do the passports while you're out of the country. So far we've done it in Malaysia and we've done it in Turkey. So very easy process. Definitely a couple things that you want to prepare for that is not listed on the embassy site. So I'll cover more details on that. So check out that video. But today we're headed to our Airbnb. We're excited and we finally can settle in, put our clothes in the closet and cook ourselves. We definitely miss a couple meals from back home, so we're not having to eat junk food or hotel food. So we can actually go and enjoy life, normal life somewhat for the next month and a half.